we're making a cylinder here, but we'll notice it started highlighting a little bit more than we needed it to. So we're going to lower this value here. Okay, so it's only highlighting that actual cylinder and not the bottom cone as well. Then we click on OK, and we say that we want to align the two parts together. So we go over to our alignment tools, and this one here is the best fit. We're going to keep the CAD as a fixed item, and the mobile item, in other words this guy right here, this one's going to move over to the CAD. Now there's a few different ways to restrict it. You can just try to see if it'll work automatically, just try it by clicking on best fit, but oftentimes with symmetric parts that doesn't always work out very well. So what you can do is, another option is to click on different surfaces. So you can do something like this, and then like this, and then like this. So that would be the equivalent of here, here, and here. And then you can see how close it gets. There's a chance though that it won't evenly be distributed though, so it does warn you down here. So for something like this, you would actually want to do something more along the lines of entities based. So here there's a constraint type, and you can choose entities. And that's going to allow you to see this new drop down area. So for the fixed item, notice this guy right here is going to be our fixed item, the CAD. And remember that we created that internal cylinder. So we want that internal cylinder to be in line with our y-axis. So what we can do is we can say we're going to find our y-axis here and put it in line with our cylinder. From there, we can click on the rest of the items to kind of try to align it. So we'll do something along the lines of this one, this here, and then one on the opposite end. So right about maybe there, and one on the opposite end, so right about there. And then we hit best fit, and we'll see that now at least it's evenly distributed. There's no like too much overlapping on one side versus the other. So that's how you would align a symmetric part.